welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone. This is a quick little ditty. Some of my favorite colors. Our base coat is Artist Loft Black mixed with Artist Loft Phthalo Blue. Normal pouring medium, 75% Floetrol and 25% GAC 800 by Golden. I'm tilting my canvas to let the excess paint run off so I don't have to do much tilting. The colors are golden gold, golden iridescent silver, my fave golden iridescent pearl, Deco Art Metallics Peacock Pearl. These colors really played so well together. I'm so excited about them. I'm gonna go back downstairs and do another painting on a bigger canvas because they just shimmered. That iridescent pearl just laced over those other colors, so beautiful. We've laid down our gold, our iridescent pearl, our peacock pearl, and that was our silver. We're swiping with our flexible plastic today, different sizes of plastic cut up. Look how when you grab a little bit of that base coat mix, look at those beautiful legs. I just love this color combination. So I did a quick little ditty for you. Now watch how this baby starts to sell up. So beautiful. Now if you put a little bit of extra pressure down on your swiping tool, you'll tend to bring up a little bit more of the base coat, which is what I just did there, and what I just did there as well. Look at those beautiful cells. I just love these colors together. And that gold, when I pick this painting up, you'll see, guys, that gold is just so shimmery, and there was just the right amount of it so it didn't take over. That golden gold can be very, very bossy. There it is. Easy breezy. Look at that gold, guys. Thanks for joining me. That was a quick little ditty. I'll miss you guys till I see you again. Bye now.